Hello, the purpose of this Anytime Anywhere workshop is to describe how to turn off your WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for What You See is What You Get. Turning off the WYSIWYG editor is accomplished on the College tab in Blackboard in the Tools box where it says Personal Information. Click on Personal Information and look for where it says Set Visual Text Box Editor Options. Click that link and make it either available or unavailable based on what you're trying to do. And click your Submit box. Now that I've made it unavailable, if I go into a course and I create content, I will not see my text editor. So for example, when I'm creating an item, I do not see the editing boxes across the top. I only see a place to do smart text, plain text, or HTML, check my spelling, and preview this. I cannot edit custom text here. However, if I go back and I turn on my visual text box editor options and make them available, as an instructor, if I'm in a course and I'm adding to the content area of my course by adding an item, now because my WYSIWYG editor is on, I have these 3 rows of icons that I can then use to add content to this box right here. I can add text, I can add a document link, I can add images, I can add 2 kinds of videos, I can add sound files and flash objects, which are FLV or SWF files. So this WYSIWYG editor makes editing very handy and convenient. However, sometimes it's better for students and sometimes for instructors to have the WYSIWYG editor off, which means you would come back in and tell it unavailable and click Submit. Now, this command is login specific. That means no matter what your computer is, no matter where you are, no matter whose computer you're using, it is specific to your Blackboard login. So when you log in and turn it off, it's going to be off the next time you log in, no matter where you are. It has nothing to do with the computer you're using. It has only to do with your login. So if your editor is off, you have to log in and turn it back on. Then the next time you log in, it will then be on. So turning off your WYSIWYG editor makes some of it editing options available to you or not. And there's an advantage and a disadvantage to using them. When they're available, it makes it easier to embed objects and other multimedia within a discussion board posting or in an announcement or a test question. When they're unavailable, you can add HTML code to do specific things such as preventing copying, pasting, and printing of Blackboard tests. So having your visual text box editor either available or unavailable determines what commands you have available to you within Blackboard.